Welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to apply Singpass. So you can actually decide to install the Singpass app, but I tried installing it. It installed, but it's having a little bit of issues, so I decided to use the website. So all I need to do was to click on singpass.com and I got it. So all you need to do is on how to register is first of all you have to put in your real name, your full name. So once you input your full name, the next thing is NRIC or phone number. So put that too and your date of issue. So you make sure you put the correct date of birth. So you have to put in the correct date of birth and you make sure you're not robot. They're going to verify that and you click on I have read and agree to the terms of use. You click on that as well, and once you've imputed all the information they ask you to impute, you simply click on submit, and once you submit it they're going to review it and you have a Singpass account. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.